All right, let's pump it down. Let's pump this price down, guys. Come on, guys. Let's pump it down. Let's get dumpy with it. Let's get dumpy with it. All right, we're up about $100 hairs here. Very nice, very nice. Ooh, we're crushing it. Crushing. Wow, look at that dump. That's exactly what we wanted to see. So this never fails us. It never fails us when we got the lower highs, and we got higher highs. Went on a little longer than I would have liked, but this big spike right here is what did it for me. I did take this short on my live account. This is a paper trade account here, but I also have it on my live account, which is nice. Where is everybody? Everybody gone? There's no one here. It's very strange. Remember, we'll get some people coming in. Maybe not. Anything, we'll get our steps in. All right, so the market is not looking too kosher right now. It is continuing its way down. The VIX is, it's weird, the VIX is still down. The VIX is still down, which is not making me feel so good for my short. Not sure what's going on here. Market may retrace up. The market may retrace up. I would like to see this market go a little lower though. Let's see, where would we go? CVD, please don't move. It's just getting weaker here. It's getting weaker. We had that huge spike to the upside here. Where's oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. So we're up 321 on the day. 321 on the day. Not terrible. Not great. But it is a win. Let's keep it that way. And we're up nicely on our live account right now. We took a short on our live account with 1 micro. We're up about $88, almost $100. That's a very nice. That's very nice. I'm thinking this move has potential to continue going down because we're still looking at this CVD here. And the CVD is doing this. CVD is getting stronger to the downside, not weaker. All right, I just got back from the gym, guys. It feels great to exercise in the middle of the day. Come back to the charts and look at the charts totally different. I was able to catch this reversal. I tried it twice before catching it because I saw a weaker high here. Tried it here with a very tight stop loss with a micro. And I think I tried it again up here, maybe here. And I caught it on the third one. All tight stop losses. I think one was a break even. But I'm in the trade right now. I think we should, let me see. I probably would be targeting the VWAP. Let's look at our daily range and see where this could go. So I would want to target VWAP looks really good. There is a lot of our point of control is right here at 21,474. So at least there, right around last week's low. This would be a good target. That is a great target. That is a really good target. And then we've got also the VWAP down here, this area with the trend line. This could be a good area too to possibly hold on to. Wow, this thing was spooky good. Look at that. It's at $1. Wow, that is insane. That's incredible. All right, so question we got to ask ourselves, do we think this market is reversing? Get that pop here, getting a pop here. This might be a good place to add to our trade. Short from 536, but my runner is about to stop out. Got a nice trade in overall, though. Nice. Good job, Popeye. Yeah, I took a short right at the top on my live account. I think I'm short from 555 on my live account with Weeble. So it's up pretty nicely right now. I'm gonna let it. I may add another one on my live account, another short if we get up in this area, right up in here. Yeah, I'm thinking about adding another one right in here, like in there. Think about adding there. See if we can get that opportunity. I just added one. All right, let's hope this move is still strong to the downside, because we're in 2 right now. Our position's in 2. Let's hope we don't get any kind of wild and crazy move to the upside here. That would not be good. Wow, bingo, you really trusted the rollover there. Awesome. Calling that. Yeah, well, I tried it twice. I tried it here. I think I broke even here. And then I tried it here. I got stopped out, very small stop. And then I caught the top on that. Because I saw this weakness in here. You see the weakness? I saw this weakness the whole time. Meanwhile, the price was getting stronger. So that's the reason I took that. I wanted to take that short so bad. And I saw this huge spike in CVD. This one really did it for me right here. I saw this huge spike in CVD, so I said, yep, there we go. We should probably be turning to the downside here. Nice. Hope we don't get stopped out here. Looks like the market wants to come and try to grab these imbalances here up to 530, maybe up to 540. Hoping we get a harsh rejection here. Come on, harsh rejection. Yeah. Yeah, I'm hoping that she's not strong here at all. Let's look at that 30-minute here. Looks like it crossed over. Good for us. 30 minutes like it crossed over. Still low volume. I still like this level here for taking one off at 478, more or less. Where is everyone? Seems like YouTube did not announce our return here. Got 9 people on here. Where'd everybody go? Where'd he go, George? So I missed adding one here on the paper trade. I missed adding one, but if it goes up, then we'll add it. What's up, Publisi? Get ready for that volume spike around 2:30, 3 p.m. I hope it's to the downside. I really do. I'm really tired of getting stopped out. Really tired of it. Tired, I tell you. Sick and tired. Sick and tired of being sick and tired, guys. She might be reversing back up a little bit. She might be. We'll see. What's up, Storm? Traded, distracted this morning, and gave a lot from yesterday back. I'm sorry to hear that, brother. What were you distracted with? Were you trying to do multiple things at once? Were you trying to get your steps in at your desk on your walking pad while YouTubing and trading at the same time? Hoping for a better Monday. Yeah, you'll get a better Monday, brother. You'll get it. Stay positive, man. As long as we live to fight another day. That's all we need. That's all we need. Do we have a trend line that we're battling here? Are we battling some kind of trend line? I think we are. We broke that trend line already. Right, we had that trend line here. That broke. What we have now here is a stop loss run. Market loves to go get stop losses, especially when I have them on. What's she doing in here, guys? She's gaining strength. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. She's gaining strength. Minute was not really that much weaker. She might be going up for seconds, man. She might be going up again. It's kind of crazy to say, but she's not even going down to tap these areas here. Yesterday's last week's low, last week's high. What's up, Jeff? Mike Clay, what's up? You're up and running again. How many steps have you gone today? Well, it said that I did about, I did the math. I did about 2.5 miles earlier today. Walking at this pace, I did 2.5 miles. And I think I burned about 600 calories if I did the math right. Hopefully it's just forming the right shoulder before coming down. I hope so. But that shoulder sometimes just comes up and does one of these. It says, it just does this. Where's Lewis's stop loss? Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, here it is? Oh, okay. Bang, got it. All right, we're gone. That's usually what it does. So I'm hoping that that's not what it does this time. I'd be very upset if that's what it did. And that's the shoulder that I'm going to cry on. How many shoulders does this market need? How big of a brawny shoulder does it need? It doesn't need a shoulder all up in here. We need a little crooked shoulder. There's nothing wrong with it, like the little Hunchback of Notre Dame, little Quasimodo guy. We need shoulders like that. I don't trust her. Who trusts her in here? Anybody here trust her? Does anybody trust the NQ? You guys trust her? I don't trust her. I don't trust her one bit. Not one bit, I tell you. She's a little weak. That's a good thing. You know, that's the only reason I'm keeping my trades on, is because she's weak. I am currently short from 555, but I just added another one, so my average entry now is 537 on my live Weeble account. Ay, ay, ay. What are you doing? What are you doing here, woman? Just came back from the gym, so I'm feeling good, but if I get stopped out here, I won't feel so good anymore. Form that damn shoulder already and get it over with. Come back down to reality. Now, we don't have a poor high, so there's no reason to continue going higher. We trapped a good amount of buyers up here. No reason to keep going higher. What's up, Jack Hudkins? How's it going? Have a good weekend, brother. You too. We got some more. We got some more likes. We got some more viewers. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like for us, maybe we can get some more people on the stream before Power Hour is done. Yeah, so this walking pad is a game changer, guys. A game changer. So I'm going to average about 2 to 3 miles a day while we're streaming here. This is going to be really good. It's going to be amazing. I feel like she may pump one more time before coming down because she is forming that CVD, kind of like this little meltdown thing here, a little triangle. She's forming this descending wedge type of look right here. She is forming that, and usually when she does that, she gives us one more good old pump. One more good old pump. That way she can rip faces off, and then she rolls over again. I hope she doesn't do that this time, though. I hope she just rolls over. She looks tired, you know. She looks tired. Just take a load off, girl. Take a load off, baby. You don't need to work anymore. Bless you. You don't need to work anymore, girl. Just go down. There we go, baby. That's more like it. That's that right shoulder that I want to caress. That's the right shoulder that I'll caress if you just keep going down, baby. Just keep going down. This beautiful shoulder of yours. It's the weekend. It does not feel like the weekend, guys. It does not feel like the weekend. Walking track is a good idea. I've got a standing desk I use all the time, but need to use it more. Yeah, the standing desk is just the first part of it. I've had a standing desk for a long time, but just standing there, you kind of get like all tight and you gotta stretch all the time. But walking is actually, it feels so much better, and it actually feels really natural. Doing it on a low speed while trading. As I get better, you know, maybe I can start running. Running while trading? No, maybe not. Maybe not running. But yeah, but maybe I will turn up the speed a little bit as I get more used to it. But it is a game changer. I showed, if you guys want to see my walking desk setup, you guys go over to our Discord. Let me post that Discord link. Let me see if I have it here. No, that's not it. That's not it. That's the wrong link. I don't want to send you guys there. Okay. There's our Discord link. You guys can check out our off-topic channel. You guys can see my walking pad. It's pretty cool. I got it on Facebook Marketplace, guys, for $25. Almost brand new. Lady used it like a few times only. And she was like, I got to get rid of this thing. So I found her, and I said, I'll buy it. Now I have a walking desk. I mean a walking desk. I have a walking pad for $25. I think these things are like over 150 bucks, I was told. Come on, right shoulder. Come on, right shoulder. Let's do it. Let's do it here. Yeah, this volume is really slow. I feel like we are gonna pop. She's gonna give us one good pop, right in the kisser. I feel like she might go up to just take my stop loss. I have this feeling in my belly that she's just gonna go to my stop loss and just smack me in the face and then come right back down. Right back down. Rip it right back. Yeah, she's doing it, guys. She is doing it. She is doing it. I hate her. I do. I hate her. I need to start going long and short at the same time. That way I just won't be mad. I'll just be happy and sad all at the same time. Anybody here going long and short at the same time? I used to watch this YouTuber a lot, and he used to go long and short at the same time. And I thought he was joking. I thought he was playing. I thought he's like, just was like some kind of a degenerate thing that you hit buy and sell at the same time, like buy sell, and like you're long on one and short on the other. But it actually is it's a real strategy that actually works really, really, really well. I've only been able to catch it a few times while trading Bitcoin. You really can't do it on the Nasdaq. You really can't unless you're swinging. If you're swinging, then yeah, you could do a long and short at the same time. But I'm not. My accounts don't let me swing. So going long and going short is really cool. So for instance, when I was trading Bitcoin, right? You could trade Bitcoin. When you trade Bitcoin, you're kind of swinging Bitcoin, right? You're swinging it. So I would get into a nice long, and I'd take profits along the way, but I'd keep runners. So I'd be in, I don't know, it'd be up really, really nicely. It'd be up a lot. And then I would find a place where a short opportunity was setting up. So then I would go short while still having a long. And then I would also take profits on the short while hoping that the long doesn't get stopped out and maybe we continue going with that long. So no matter what the market does, you'll always have a position that's going in your favor and you're making money either way. So that is called a schlong, a short and a long, a schlong. You guys have never heard of the schlong strategy before? It's pretty good. I'm sure there's better names for it. I'm sure there's better names, but that's the name that the trading guru that I used to watch would call it. It was pretty cool. I might go back to trading Bitcoin, not leave NQ alone, but like trade it as well because it's more of a swing trade. So I've learned so much with NQ that I think I could trade Bitcoin so much better now. I think I could trade it so much better. So we'll see. We'll take some baby steps. Statistical arbitrage. Yeah, statistical arbitrage. That's basically what it's called, right? I guess you would call it that. Some people may call it a straddle. Some people may call it a lort. L-O-R-T. A lort. I don't know. I'm just making up words now. Just making up words, guys. Wow, this market is really doing much of nothing. It is going in the right direction for me, though. I will tell you that. I'm kind of happy here. That right shoulder is very little. I'm looking for little shoulders here, no big shoulders. Last thing you want is a broad with big shoulders. You do not want NQ. If you think NQ is a lady, you don't want a lady with big shoulders, guys. She may end up being the first lady of the United States. And she may not really be a lady. You don't want your NQ shoulders to be like Big Mike's, because it may not be the right shoulder. It may be the wrong shoulder. That's not the shoulder you want to cry on. That's not the shoulder you're looking for. So it's moving down nicely. I just hope she doesn't just come and just rip faces off. Here the CVD is looking pretty good. It's kind of like what I wanted to see, even though the what's it called, guys, I'm telling you, the volume is so low. Probably because it's the first Friday of the new year. No one is really back yet. No one's really back yet, right? Monday's gonna be an amazing day from what everyone says. So I might take profits on my live account here, because I am thinking that I think I should maybe be coming back. We'll see. That's shoulder though. That's shoulder. We'll see what she does here. Keeping a good eye on her. She's such a wrench. She's a wretch of a woman. Last person that spoke about Big Mike had their last dental appointment. Oh man. I'm just talking about guys like Mike Tyson, dude, you know. Michael Jordan, you know, guys, big brawny shoulder guys. That's what I'm talking about. And I don't think it was a dental appointment. I think it was a minor cosmetic procedure. What's up, Smo? How you doing? Minor cosmetic procedure. She made a higher low here, which I don't like. I don't like it at all. We had kind of equal lows here. So she's not looking good. This kind of looks like a stop run, but at the same time, it also looks like it might be just running up. Running up. I'm glad you're doing good, Smo. I'm glad you're doing good, brother. I'm glad you guys are all doing well. Hope you guys made some money today. Hope you guys are starting off the new year nice and green. I am here sitting patiently in my shorts, waiting for her to stop messing around and just dump this thing already. Just dump this thing down. Like, I'll be happy to last week's low. Just get down to 477. I'll be a happy camper. I'll be in a camp of people that are happy. I'll be ecstatic. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get down there. Let's get down tonight. Yeah. Today's, we're out of the, if you guys want to take a quick look at this, we're also out of our daily range. Our value area highs here at 449. We're way above it. And our point of control, time point of control, is all the way down at 237. So taking profits at 470 is very conservative. If we can get it, I hope we can get it, man. I really do. Because she's just chopping right now. She's just chopping. And I don't like when she chops. This is a 21 EMA right here. This is the 21 on the right hand side. 21. We also have the 100 right here, the 200 there, the VWAP all the way down at 381. This is kind of making me a little nervous, just because we are stupid bullish, but we are being held down right now by the 21. We did have divergence, so not sure. Trading both. Today I took a small trade on my personal account. In the morning I traded prop firms. I traded Top Step in the morning. I'm up $300 and something with Top Step today. Not a big day for me, but I'm not really going heavy yet. It's really early in the year and volume is light. I missed a couple of good entries as well. So I'm just taking it easy right now for the beginning of the year. Maybe Monday we will try to put some more numbers on the board, but a $300 win on my prop account, not to mention what I'm making right now on my live account. That's a good day. That's a good day, as long as you're not red. Yeah, $300 is $300. Yesterday we made close to 600. Today we made close to 300. So $1,000 on where did we start the year is not bad. Not bad. Because all we have to do is just scale that up a little bit. It's 3:30 and we're getting a little bit of volume here. Wow. Wow, what are you doing? What you gonna do, girl? What you gonna do? You gonna go up or down? Yes, look at that volume. Look at that volume. Come on. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming, girl. Let's see what she does here. A lot of times these candles get reversed like immediately, very quickly. Let's see what she does here. Because she is due for a pop to the upside. She is due for one. We just got to pop to the downside. Let's see if it's continuation. If we get continuation here. Let's see what the strength is. The strength is going down. I like that. I like when the strength goes down. There's not a lot of buyers right now because we're getting a big candle with little volume. Let's see what happens here. All right, let's see. I like to see his continuation. Ooh, yes, continuation. Oh, yeah. Come on, continuation. My first TP, I want to take it here around 470s. The 470s. I'd like to take a TP around the 470s. I'm going to add that to the chart now. No! Don't you do it! You wretched woman. Don't worry about this. You can come back for this later after you give me my TP. Not TP. Yeah, TP. What am I talking about? TP. Yes, TP, not TP. 3:34, guys. 3:34 in the afternoon. Volatility is right around the corner. Right around the corner. And I hope it's to the downside. I really do. I really do. I hope you guys are doing well. I was watching a streamer. I was watching a live streamer when I was at the gym. I like watching the guy. Sometimes he's green, sometimes he's red. He's not a great trader, but I can relate to his pain sometimes when he's not doing so well. Today he melted all of his prop firm accounts, melted them all, trying to short this move here, trying to short the move up. He literally burnt like all of his prop firm accounts. I felt so bad. I feel like reaching out sometimes and be like, hey dude, like try this, try that, but these guys are, a lot of them are big streamers and they're never going to check their DMs or they're never going to check their Discord, but hey, everybody has their own journey. Everybody's got their own journey. You think this was a CVD spike that we needed before reversing back up? I think it might be. You think this was? She could be reversing up. I'm gonna take one off. I took one off here. Just modifying my stop loss. Modify, baby, modify. All right, so I took one. I have two. I have two on. I had two on. I took one off and I moved the other one to break even. See if we get a nasty dump to the downside. Leave one as a runner. She was running like Jenny. Perfect. All right, so our day is green so far. That's really nice, very nice. Yeah, I have a feeling she's gonna reverse to the upside. Why? Because we got this. We're getting a lower high. We're getting a higher low here, and we got this spike here. So I think I'm gonna close all my positions here. So we got this. We're getting this higher low here. You see this higher low, and we got this spike in the CVD to the downside. This right here. This actually makes me bullish. So I've reversed my position there, and we're gonna give it a stop loss here. And we're going to, this is one of the hardest things to do, is to change your bias mid-trade. One of the hardest things to do. So we'll leave this runner, we'll leave this one here, we'll add another one. All right, so we had two on. Take our one TP over up in here. We'll do that. Upside is what I'm thinking. Mike, you and I are thinking alike, buddy. And I'm still in the trade. Wow, I'm in a long now. I forgot to close out my stop loss, so I'm in a trade and up to the long side now. It's pretty crazy. Luna, stop it. Maybe she's not done. Maybe she's not done dumping. We'll see. She'll never show you her hand completely. She'll never show you her hand completely, but she will leave clues. It's up to you to decipher her clues. She's like a cryptographer. The NQ is like a cryptographer. You got to really understand. You have to decipher what she's saying and doing. Come on, lady. Come on, lady. Do your thing. What you doing? Oh, you faked me, huh? She faked me. What is she doing at 340? 350 is MOC, right? So 350. We'll see what she's made of. It's been bullish. It's been bullish all day pretty much. So we currently are in a long here. It's because I saw something I thought was bullish. Now she's making me rethink the possibility that it may not have been. She might have really blown it right here. She might have blown it right there. There really wasn't any follow through here to this on the short. The short really got kind of caught up here in this area, 500, 21,500. And it got bought up really fast, and then sold off pretty fast here at 523. Tough little area. It's a tough little area, but I will tell you, she's not looking the strongest. She's not. She could be rolling over, she could be not. She's still above the 21 on the 12 minute, but she is below the 21 on the 3 minute here. It's a hard call. It's a hard one. Anybody here long or short? You guys do? What are you guys thinking here? Either one is valid. I'm just thinking a little bit more to the upside, just because the trend is to the upside right now. This trend is up to the upside. The long trend is to the upside, and 12 minute, the higher time frames. I think she may be going up for another squeeze. So I'm thinking she might be going up for another squeeze. On the sideline, but you like a long here, huh? Tough to long when the VWAP is 120 points to the south, but the last 10 minutes anything can happen. Yeah, I know, man. The VWAP's all the way down there. We're trading way out of our we're back into our value area. Looks like we're back into the value area high, but barely back in. So yeah, maybe more downside. I think this might have been a premature move to try to long this move back up. We never broke the 21 here, so maybe I should have never done that. Yeah, that was pretty dumb of me. Oh, it's pretty dumb, buddy. What are you, dumb, bro? That's what the NQ told me. NQ said, what are you, dumb, bro? All right, so she is absorbing. All of these purple candles here are sellers absorbing buyers. And I had the wherewithal to long it. I did not take the short bus to school, guys, I promise. I did not. I did not. Shorts kind of look better. Longs look better here. During this up to 3:30, the longs look better. Now the longs have just kind of melted away. I'm not in any trades right now. This is on paper trade, but I regret getting out of my my short. I regret it. I have to learn that market will do things to make you think that it's going to do something when it really doesn't, in order to shake you out of your trade. You're short on the Dow? Nice, Jeff. Is the Dow up big today? Let's see. The Dow today, 0.75%. Okay. NQ's up 1.5. What's up with Tesla? How's Tesla doing today? Tesla's up big, huh? Back in the 400s. Wow. Nvidia's up almost 4.5%. Tesla's up 8%. Did Tesla fill that gap? I think Tesla might have filled the gap, no? Yeah, Tesla filled the gap. That's crazy. That is crazy. You just shorted in the last 10 minutes. Good call on the short. Good call on the short. Yeah, wow. Tesla had a huge day, guys. Up 8%. Looks like BTC is up big today, too. Yeah. Crypto's having a big day today. Ethereum is up big, 4.5%. The dollar is down today. That's why we're getting this pumperoonie. Dollar's down to 1.8. 1.8. Oh, I'm sorry, 108.95. MOC volume, Murderbot candle in 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. All right. I don't see a world in which I don't get stopped out here. I screwed up badly. I let the NQ talk me out of my shorts. Had such a beautiful short entry. Let the NQ talk me out of it. You know, there's a saying that says, a fool and his money will soon part. A fool and his money will soon part. And that was me. I was the fool today. NQ got me. You got me, NQ. You got me. You got me. Yep. I got to work on that, guys. A couple things I got to work on. That's one of them. Staying in my trades. Holding my conviction. Wow, I almost left an open order here on my live account. I almost left an open order there. And here she goes. She's going to kerplunk now. Back down to Never Never Land. She's going to do one of those kerplunks. You're going to actually hear the sound. It's going to sound like kerplunk when she drops. Murderbots, 1 minute, guys. Murderbots, 1 minute. 1 minuto. Just stay in your trade, man. Just stay in your trade. That's what I should have just told myself. Stay in your damn trade. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah, I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it just a little longer, could I? Okay. We're getting that level at 470s. This is the exact level that I would have been taking a first TP here. It's crazy how when NQ didn't stop me out, I stopped myself out. It's hilarious. Hilarious, I tell you. Yeah, from here it looks like it could be a free fall. Unless he gets strength soon, this could be a free fall. That VWAP is looking really juicy down at the 400, 390 area. Here she comes, guys. Here she comes. She comes messing around. So she's got a weird shoulder. She got like a double shoulder. Double shoulder here. She got her shoulders like Big Mike. She got the head. And she got this shoulder over here, looking all deformed. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I call this pattern Big Mike because it's got the shoulders, real broad shoulders. The head here, kind of looking like this, like she worked out too much on one arm, not the other. So she got the imbalance of the shoulders, but they're broad. They're very broad. Look how broad this shoulder is. It's all the way over here. She's been working out. Look at this shoulder. This shoulder's got muscles popping out of the sides. Her deltoids on the left. Got deltoids on the left, deltoids on the right. Look at the size of this neck. Look at this neck. She's built like a truck. This is definitely not no regular Head and Shoulders. This is something else. I've never seen shoulders like that on a woman in my life. Yeah, I could pop here because this is last week's low. This is last week's low. There is support here, but I will tell you that this CVD looks really bullish because we have a huge spike in volume down. Huge spike. So to me, this looks very bullish. This looks like it could be a very big move to the upside. We're still bullish on the day. This right here, very big. It means a lot of people are getting trapped here. So if a lot of people get trapped short here, that means that the long could be strong. Not always, but it's a very good indication. Also, if you get a higher low, like right now, if we get this higher low here, it looks really good. See, we got this higher low now, and we got a lower high on. We got a higher low here, and we got a very, very big difference here. We got a much lower low here. So a pop here would not surprise me. It would not surprise me one bit. You know what would surprise me though? There we go. Would surprise me is if Big Mike doesn't let me get in here. That would surprise me. Come on, Big Mike. Let me get in on your shoulder, baby. Let me get up on that shoulder. That shoulder's not done. That shoulder's not done building. That shoulder's still building some muscle up in here. So this could be the pop that we're waiting on. This area is an area of supply. So if we don't make it past here, then we'll see another rollover. Yeah, careful with the man hands too. We're about to form the man hands. After the shoulders, we're going to build the biceps. And once we build the biceps here, then it's the man hands. Rough, callous, football player, lumberjack hands. So we did get a big spike in volume to the upside initially. It is getting kind of absorbed. This could be an area that's still seeing a lot of resistance here. We could be having iceberg orders in here, depending on how this reacts. If it gets absorbed as well, it could be a spill to the biceps. Still higher possible? Everything is possible. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. When you have When you have faith to see the size of a mustard seed, you can move mountains. So everything is possible. She's holding here. She's fighting. She's got a lot of sell pressure in this 520 area. That's why I highlighted it earlier, because this is an area where there was a lot of volume taking place, and we had absorption here. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and take a short. See if we can recover the candle. Oh, we're getting a lot of CVD to the downside, but the candle's not moving too much. Let's see if that'll change. Yeah. This big green candle could have been a just a stop run. My football sent it to the 786. Perfect. Took it on demo. That was your football means it's bullish, right? Just closed along. Good job, Mike. Good job, Mike. Yeah, this is looking to me like it was stalling out here. We have an absorption level here. Plus we have open imbalances in here, especially at the speed that. Wow, look at how much CVD we're getting here, and that candle is not moving. Buyers are absorbing this big time. Wow, they're absorbing that big time. All right, I'm switching to longs here. That was crazy. Look at all this. You see all of this? It just got absorbed. This whole thing got absorbed. That's just crazy. This whole candle just got absorbed. This whole big old 13, 15, 1600 contracts to the downside, the delta is getting absorbed. Somebody's buying it all up. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. God. We'll take a TP here. 1 minute left to the market close, guys. AQ just took it in the chin. Just added another one. Take one. Take one. All right, good job. That's the. Oh, no. That's why you don't trade. You don't trade the last 10 minutes of the session. That's why you don't do it. That's why you don't do it. So much shenanigans. Too much shenanigan. That was a paper trade, guys. So don't worry much. Crazy. That was nuts. Yeah, I like coming on here at Power Hour, guys, and messing around with the paper trades, because it is a very volatile hour. The things that normally shouldn't happen do happen quite often. So we'll let it be. We'll let it be. All right, guys, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the like, guys. Come on, you give me 8 likes and 33 viewers here. If we get a little bit more liking here to the channel, we'll get a lot bigger over the upcoming streams. But I just want to remind you guys, too, that we are live pretty much every morning, Monday through Friday, as long as the market's open. We'll be here Monday. Monday's going to be a huge day. Monday's going to be an incredible day because everyone's back from their Hamptons, Colorado, Utah, wherever they were, those rich bankers. And we're going to be back to business, guys. So we should have more volume, more action, more of everything. Earnings season's around the corner, too, so market's going to get spicy. So if you guys want to be around for that, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification, but more importantly, because you guys will be notified when we do go live. And yeah, guys, trade safe. I'll see you guys on Monday. Enjoy your weekends. God bless. And I will pray for everyone on this stream that you guys are healthy, happy, and that you guys find your way in life. I will pray that you guys are safe and your family as well. Take care, guys. I love you. I'll see you next Monday.